Welcome back, everyone. As I am continuing the metal joining processes, in that we are studying welding. In the welding, we are studying in detail about arc welding here today. Now, what is arc welding? Arc means it is nothing but it is the electric arc here. This is the electric arc. This arc or a spark, it is used to generate the heat. As we know, this arc welding is a fusion welding. It is a classification comes under the fusion welding. In the fusion welding, we are using the heat to join that metals here. So, to get that heat, we are producing the arc. How to produce that electric arc here? That is the main important thing here. As we know, the high transformers and rectifiers are there. By using that high transformers, we can convert the normal voltage current into a heavy voltage that current. The transformer will do it here. So that high voltage, that current which is passing through the electrodes, once it is passing through the electrodes, then that electrode is somewhat, it is very nearer to that some other base metal or which metal we want to join here now. Definitely, because of that gap, definitely the arc will be generated. That arc is there, it will produce a heat. That heat is around 3000 to 7000 degrees centigrade here. So therefore, it is very costly affair here in this case. So how it will be that is taking place here? Working principle of this arc welding, how it will be takes place. Here will be the electrode. Electrode is also act as a filler material. Electrode is a filler material. Just for example, if I take this is a electrode here. This is a electrode here. This electrode is also a filler material. Filler material means if I want to join two metals here, in between these two some metal we are filling, that is called as the filler metal. But in case of the welding, not only this filler material will become a molten metal, and also the parent metals are there. Parent metals will also melt, means becomes a molten metal. Then the joining process will takes place in case of the welding here. So what happens? This electrode is also a filler material. It is covered with a flux here. This is that flux here. This is the flux coating. Flux coating. As we know that why that flux is used. That flux is used as an anti-oxidizing agent here, and also it is also helps to that drop or a very early melting of the metal will takes place, and also it will helps to move that metal flow, that molten metal very easily. For these three cases we are using that flux here. So different variety of the flux are there, but in case of the welding, that welding rod is there. It is also called the welding rod here. That welding rod, it is also an electrode. It is also act as a filler material. It is coated with the flux which is required for the welding here in this case. So next, what we are doing? So it is also electrode. It is connected with that 4000, 5000 volt that electric current which is by the transformer here. So next, what happens? Next, these are the two metal plates. If I want to join it here, that base or parental metals here, base or that is a parental that metals here. These two joints if I want to join, what has to do? First we have to supply the electric current with a high vary voltage through that transformer. Then next the this joints that which parent metals are there here now, this has to be cleaned. It has to be cleaned here before going for that welding. It has to be cleaned thoroughly here now. The next one is we are supplying the electrical current to this, to the electrodes here. So when we are somewhat very nearer to this joint, if I moved this one, that is holders are there, electrode holders by that holder, and with the mask and all that safety measures. If I move very nearer to that where we want to make a joint, first we have to make some tacks. Tacks means how much dimension, how that uniformly, or how we have to make weld. Just we have to make a two takke. Takke means tacks here, that has to make. Then afterwards we have, because once it is welding will happen, so we cannot break it because it is a permanent welding. We have to make a tacks. Then afterwards we will see it. Then afterwards we can proceed that welding process here. So next what we are doing? So just we are holding this electrode. Then we are make a tacks. Then afterwards if it is correct, then we are moving here that welding here. Just we are moving that welding. That welding weaving passions are like this here now. It may be weaving passions like this. It may be weaving passions like this. Like any kind of that passions, weaving passions, we can make it here. So these are also base metal. These are also called as weldments. These are also sometimes weldments. Then quality with which that welding has been made to join that metal, it is called the weldability. It is called the weldability, that process here in this case. So what happens when it is comes to the nearer? That definitely this parent metal and as well as this that welding rod will start melting. Once it will start melting, along with this flux also start melting. So fumes will be produced. Fumes, that fumes will be produced here now. So that fumes will act as an anti-oxidizing that agent here in this case. Fumes will be produced. Then next one is the some globules or spatters, bursts. They are also generated. They will come here in this case here. So that's why to avoid to protect that from the globules. So we are using glass that welding goggles and glass shielding, all these we are using here in this case here. So welding will happens, and after that welding will happens with the weavings and all. Just we have to remove it, cool it, and remove that sort some slags which are present on this welding by slight hammering on that. So then that welding process will be completed. This is called as the arc welding here. This is called as arc welding. Arc has been, that is generated here in this case. And for quality welding process, we are it is slanted, that a welding rod will be slanted with this here now. It is around 20 degree here. 20 degree we are made some angle with the vertical here now. The quality welding, that is a range somewhat 20 degree, where that degree has to bend with the welding rod here. And the next one is here now. In case of the arc welding, the main problem is the current, and transformer is very heavy, and somewhat we can move some transformer from one place to another place. So therefore portable welding is possible in case of this arc welding here in this case. Just one video also I will send how that arc welding will that is happen here in this case. So but things are there that high radiations are coming from this arc welding that are very harmful for the eyes here. But it is portable, wherever we want we can move it here in this case. Now With this, just I will complete this arc welding. In the next video lecture, I will go with another one that welding that process, that is oxyacetylene welding, that is gas welding. So we will see in the next video lecture. Thank you very much.